YouTube, what's going on? It's Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Back again today with a quick fix video for you guys on Hayward's PoolVac V-Flex. This version is actually meant for vinyl pools, but this will actually work for the concrete versions as well. Stay tuned. We're going to dive in and show you guys how to fix this thing. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on the Hayward PoolVac V-Flex. This is the vinyl version. So again, this will work for the vinyl as well as the gunite version. For today's quick fix, I want to show you guys just some of the part breakdowns on the actual turbine in this cleaner. Kind of let you guys know some of the differences compared to some of the other Hayward cleaners that you guys may have in the industry, and just kind of show you guys some of the working parts on how to make sure you install this correctly if you need to replace this on this cleaner. So as you guys can tell, I already have full access in here to the turbine. The turbine is exposed. I can pull it out. If you guys want to know how we got here, which you'll need to know how we got here, make sure you guys check out the links in the description below. We'll have a playlist to show you guys how to completely tear this thing apart to get access in here to the turbine itself. But once you've done all that, you're going to simply take from each side of the turbine, and I'm just going to kind of pinch it together and lift it out here, and then I'm going to slide this thing off to the side and show you guys some of the parts and pieces. So they put these caps on this turbine specifically, where you have one cap that has an additional little plastic knob on it that actually will sit in the frame. The frame has a cutout for it, so when you guys are putting this back together, you'll know that which side actually requires the part with the knob. So they do have these caps, so there's two caps. And then if you'll notice on this, the turbine is not actually completely centered. So you normally have like one higher than the other. So with this cleaner, as it's a pod cleaner with those wings, so as the turbine's spinning, it's moving that A-frame kit, which kind of gives it that agitation look. So then as the cleaner's running across the floor, that's where the flaps on the side are flapping, and it's kind of agitating back and forth in order to actually move across the surface of your floor. So as the suction comes in and spins this, it's pushing that A-frame kit, which is allowing the cleaner to kind of agitate forward, because they do not have a full gear assembly like some of their other cleaners that they carry, the PoolVac or the Aquanaut, how they use a full gear system to move. This does not have that. It's all about the turbine and then the rocking of the back and forth on that actual A-frame kit. So it's really cool. I think it's a little bit of a different design, and I know that with the gear systems it's a little bit easier to maintain, but I definitely tried and true, this cleaner has worked very well through the industry. So just wanted to kind of show you guys that. It does have a plate on one side here that will fully remove, so then that way you guys can get into the access of the turbine itself. So shares the exact same turbine as the other ones with the vane kit on it, so you can actually replace individual vanes here as this thing is rotating around. You guys will notice some of these wear more than others, so you do have the ability to swap those out as well. And then of course you have your two guard plates here with the bearings already attached. I know that you guys might be able to swap these out now. So these are already a part of this piece, so the bearings will come included with that, which are an important part of the functionality of this cleaner. So just real basic, wanted to show you guys how that operates and show you guys those pieces. I don't believe it matters which bearing goes on what side, as long as you guys have those bearings facing out, so then that way they ride correctly. You will need to kind of slowly rotate them like I'm doing right now in order to get them to sit on the axle. But from there, you're just going to kind of try to make sure that the axle is placed perfectly in between. Put your caps back on, and then go ahead and drop that back into the cleaner, and you should be good to go. So just wanted to show you guys some more information about the turbine, how to get it out. Again, if you want to know how to get to it, make sure you guys check out those links in the description to take you guys through all those steps to get access to the turbine itself. So I really appreciate you guys watching, and make sure you guys subscribe, because we're going to have a ton more videos coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.